How to share PowerPoint presentation document to WhatsApp as PDF. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Just go to PowerPoint. Now choose the document or the presentation that you want to share. I'm gonna choose this one. Now wait a few seconds and click right here in the top on this little icon. Click on it and click on full document right here. Now choose the PDF, click on it and wait a few seconds until it's converted. Now click on WhatsApp right here. Very easy and fast, as you can see. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later.